I am amazed on how the Mini 4 tackles the wind, but I found out that there's a couple of things that you should avoid. What you see here is me trying to do a 360-degree panorama in this strong wind. Just see what happens when the gimbal turns down. Still hoping for the camera to stabilize. I bring the gimbal back horizontal again, and even though it says gimbal motor overloaded, it seems like it's going past that. If I'd used the shortcut and programmed C2, for example, to gimbal recenter, this could have been stabilized earlier. On this next shot, it's also blowing quite hard, and I'm trying to do a master shot. And amazingly enough, it seems like it's going okay, but then the gimbal goes down and the drone turns into what seems to be an unlucky position. And of course, now I get the strong wind warning. Trying to bring it home, it says that it's unable to return to home automatically. I try anyway. And luckily I succeeded. This last one get a strong wind warning, and the drone is unable to return to home from where I started because I forgot to update the home position. And I got that warning because I started with a battery that wasn't on full capacity. So when going hiking, make sure that you start with a full battery, and also make sure to update the home point during your trip. Otherwise you can risk that the drone wants to return back because the battery is not strong enough to go further on. My cap blew off. And the battery was so depleted that it force landed into some rocks.